Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of next-gen smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast like me, you're going to love this video because we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the real game-changing flagship of 2025. While the launch date is still a bit far off, we've gathered all the juicy details about this upcoming beast, including its specifications, new features, price, release date, and more. So, make sure to stick around until the end because you don't want to miss this. Samsung has been a frontrunner in the smartphone market for years, and with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, they're looking to push the boundaries even further. Let's dive right into the specifications and features that make this device stand out. First things first, the design. Samsung has always been known for its premium build quality, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. This year, Samsung is rumored to use a premium titanium build, ensuring both durability and a sleek, modern look. The device will also feature Gorilla Glass Armor 2, providing exceptional protection against drops and scratches. With IP68 water and dust resistance, this phone is built to withstand the elements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. This display will support a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440 x 3120 pixels. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing, this display is designed to deliver an immersive experience with vibrant colors and sharp details. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is set to feature Qualcomm's most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, built on a 3nm process. This is a significant leap in technology, promising enhanced performance and efficiency. For the European market, Samsung will offer its in-house 3nm-based Exynos chipset, which is expected to provide comparable performance. With these advanced chipsets, the S25 Ultra will handle anything you throw at it, from intensive gaming to multitasking. One of the most exciting aspects of the S25 Ultra is its camera system. Samsung is upping the ante with a quad-camera setup that includes a 200MP main sensor. This camera will utilize advanced AI capabilities to enhance photo quality, ensuring stunning clarity and detail in every shot. Accompanying the main sensor are a 50MP ultra-wide camera, a 50MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. For selfies, there's a 12MP front camera, possibly with an under-display design to maximize screen real estate. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the S25 Ultra is expected to come with a 5000 mAh battery. While the capacity remains similar to its predecessor, improvements in hardware and software efficiency should result in better battery life overall. The phone will support 45W fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up your battery when needed. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0. This new iteration of One UI will bring a host of improvements, including enhanced Galaxy AI 2.0 features. These AI enhancements will optimize performance, functionality, and battery life based on your usage patterns, making the phone smarter and more efficient over time. In terms of connectivity, the S25 Ultra is future-proofed with support for 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. These features ensure fast and reliable connections, whether you're streaming, gaming, or transferring files. When it comes to storage and RAM, the S25 Ultra will not disappoint. The base model will start with 16GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage, with options going up to 1TB. This means you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, videos, and files, along with lightning-fast performance. Now, let's talk about the price and release date. While Samsung hasn't officially announced the price, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be priced similarly to its predecessors. We anticipate a starting price in the range of $1,200 to $1,300. As for the release date, rumors suggest that Samsung will unveil the S25 Ultra in early 2025, possibly around February or March. So, there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the smartphone world, with its impressive specs and cutting-edge features. What do you think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset or the incredible 200MP camera? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. We'll be keeping you posted with all the latest news and reviews on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and other upcoming devices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.